Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from ESR. This is their Boost Series kickstand case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, I've used the Boost Series cases on past Samsung phones, particularly because I like the way that ESR does the kickstand. I'm a big fan of having a kickstand on my cases for my phone. Now, this comes in two different colors, either a totally clear case or in black. I got the clear case here for review, and we're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so again, Boost Series kickstand case from ESR. ESR makes great cases, in my opinion, and I've used them in the past, again, mainly because of that metal kickstand on the back. It's a very solid design in past iterations, so we're going to check out this one to see if it matches for the S24 Ultra. I have the clear case. This is going to be a totally clear case to show off the violet titanium color that I have on my S24 Ultra. Well, I guess I don't even need a knife to open this box. So we'll get rid of that. Now they also have a black model as well if you don't want a clear case. Let's see what we've got inside here. We do have a little bit of documentation, nothing else in the box except for the case. You can see right here that you can go up to 60 degrees on your angle and down to 30 degrees. So you do have some flexibility on your angle of the way it's going to sit on your table for you for media consumption and just general using your phone. So here it is, the clear case. And again, I am a big fan of ESR, so hopefully this one is going to be as good as past iterations. And it looks like it. If we look at the metal kickstand, this is a very thick, very robust metal kickstand here, and this is not going to go anywhere when you have your device inside this case, and that's why I like it. Some of them have those smaller kickstands that are easier to break. This one has always been with ESR a very good. Okay, so I have the violet titanium here, and I do like the color with the titanium on the purple. Looks really good, so I want to be able to show that off. So I got the clear case. Let's snap this on in and see how the fit is. It's a nice fit. There's no sag on the sides or anything like that. All of the cutouts are there. As you can see on the bottom, we have our charge port and bottom microphone, our speaker, and of course our S Pen. No problems getting the S Pen in or out of the phone using this as well, so that works out really great. They do have these reinforced corners that they've had for the last few years for your corner protection, and you can see that we do have a raised lip at the top and the bottom, 1.2 millimeters all around the phone to protect it if you're going to set it down on its face. Now you can see, or hopefully you can see, that I do have a tempered glass screen protector on this phone, and it hasn't had any problems with that at all. No pushing on the corners or anything like that. So it is going to be tempered glass screen protector friendly. Now you can see that it does acquire some fingerprints on this clear model, so you will be wiping this down every little while. If fingerprints bother you, then you may want to go for the black textured version of this case. It's got a 1 millimeter lip around the cameras as well, which is really great to also protect those camera lenses as you have this on the back of the phone and you're setting it down on a table. You don't have to worry about that. Now, another cool thing about this case is that when you have it in the case, the phone itself will not wobble on the table. So if you like to write notes with your S Pen while you have this laying on a table, you don't have to worry about the phone wobbling around on you or anything like that. It stays very stable with this particular case. So that's another thing that I did want to note about the Boost Series kickstand case from ESR. Again, I do like the fact that I can show off the colors here. I like the protection all around. I like the buttons. They are just covers, but they still retain that clickiness that you get from the buttons themselves, so you get very tactile feedback there. Of course, your dual microphone setup at the top also has a nice cutout for it. Overall, just a good looking case. The only thing is the fingerprint smudges you will have to wipe down. Of course, the star of the show for me is the kickstand itself. It can do this in portrait mode and landscape, and I like the fact that I can have my phone sitting upright in a kickstand. This is something that a lot of other kickstand makers don't do. You can only do it in portrait mode, including some of Samsung's official cases, but we can of course do this in landscape as well. You can do it this way, which is kind of a fixed angle, and it will be very sturdy. It will just be at this specific angle here, or we can flip it upside down, which is kind of the way it's made to be done, so that your buttons face upwards. And you'll get anywhere from 30 degrees all the way up to the 60 degrees that I have it now. You'll have access to your top buttons here, which is a great thing to have if you're watching multimedia or interacting with your phone. You can see even if I move this down, it stays in place and it's very solid. The metal kickstand on the ESR Boost series cases have always been very, very good. And this one also is excellent. The last thing I want to test is wireless charging, because it does have that large metal kickstand on the back, but you can see that no problem. I am fully charged, but I'm getting no problems putting this on the charger here, and we'll wait until this goes out again so I can show you. This is great. It says it's fully charged. I got a green light there. No problems with wireless charging on the ESR Boost series kickstand case. Even with that metal kickstand there, I just use it to guide the phone, and once I feel it touch the kickstand, I know I'm in the right place and I'm good to go. So there you go. That's my review of the ESR Boost series kickstand case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Again, this year they've put out a quality case, and if you're looking specifically for a case with a kickstand, I cannot stress that I recommend ESR as one of my top picks for a kickstand case. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.